Hi. Hi.
Oh my god. Actually, no, Annette, change the song. I want to see your reaction to another song. I really do.
Look at this.
Oh my god, the rip.
Okay, ready? Oh, that is the funniest thing ever.
Put it on the table.
Ready?
Cause our lips can touch our cheeks. Our lips can touch
Annette motherfucking Ackerman, wow.
I'm a beast. I'm admitting it to the camera and like all of MySpace and like the future references. I'm a beast, okay? Beware. Beware.
What about you, Ashley? You a beast?
You a beast? Fuck that. No. Dude, why am I so fucking hyped? I fucking love this. Dude, you kind of look like such an Asian. Film that. Can touch.
You really look Asian.
Our cheeks can brush.
I don't know how you brush, Ashley. You're freaking like, you're ready for a stripper bowl. Wow.
Yeah, I bet you're making a bunch of like stomps.
Stumps? What do you mean?
Like stomps?
Oh, stomps. Okay.
Stumps. Mini weeds.
No, this is mine.
No.
Okay. Say goodbye.
No.